Hey guys, welcome back. In case you're new here, my name is Nalini. Okay, so I'm here with this new SAIE cream bronzer. Listen, I was struggling to pronounce this name. I actually asked Google how to pronounce it because I didn't want to come up here saying the wrong thing. So they SAIE bronzer. Now, I saw it around like on my Instagram and stuff, and then I went on Sephora, and this is also clean at Sephora, which is very good. And I went and I started looking at reviews, and a lot of people were comparing it in the comments on the review section to the Chanel bronzer. You guys know, as light as that bronzer is, I love it, especially the formula. So I figured, you know what? Let's see if this is a dupe, because if it is, it's a lot cheaper. All right, so this retails for $28. I got mine from Sephora. And there's a total of 4 shades. I got the third shade, the second to last shade, which is deep bronze, and it's for deep skin tones with a warmer undertone. All right, so it's a lightweight, creamy balm bronzer with a natural velvet finish that melts into skin for an easy sun-kissed glow. I'm gonna have full details about everything in the description, but this part I think is important. The Sun Melt Natural Cream Bronzer has a balmy texture and velvety finish that allows for seamless, buildable color that's easy to apply and never cakey or patchy. Super, super important. The formula is packed with ingredients like organic colloidal oatmeal to moisturize, as well as silica, grapeseed oil, and elderberry extract to nourish and visibly balance the skin. All right, so the only reason I'm not doing this and the Chanel bronzer side by side is because there's a major color difference. The Chanel bronzer is super light. So after I finish putting this on, because I've worn the Chanel bronzer enough to compare it. All right, this is what it looks like. It's smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it would be bigger. And what I found very interesting about this when I got this a couple days ago, is that this color is literally the color of bronze. It's like a penny. I've never seen a bronzer with this color before. At least I don't own any with this color. Look at that. It has like this, it just looks like a bronzy with a slight orange sort of undertone. Not so much red, but orange. At least that's how it looks in the container. All right, so this is what it looks like. And let me see how many, how much product you're getting. You're getting an ounce, 30 mils. That's quite a lot. I mean, it's a cream bronzer. All right, so let me go ahead and swatch. And like I said, I got the second to last shade because I haven't been liking like heavy bronzing anymore with like the deep undertone. All right. So when I rub my hand on it already, to me, it feels a lot more balmy. Like, I think that word is correct, than the Chanel. The Chanel feels a little drier, but in a good way. But like I said, at the end, I'm going to talk more about that and compare it. All right, so this is what it looks like swatched on my NC50 skin tone. I know you guys have probably seen this already, but it's swatched. But most importantly, I think it's how it looks on my skin. But this is what it looks like. And like I said, I think it's pretty. It looks very, I love to say this word, I know I may overuse it, looks very sun-kissed, looks as though you're ready to go to the Caribbean or something. Very nice, very beachy, in my opinion. All right, so I'm only wearing foundation and concealer. I didn't want to put any powder under my eye or anything because I want to, you know, this is a cream. So let's go ahead and start. My nail is like hooking my hair. I washed my hair yesterday. I'm so proud of myself. It went super smooth. All right. So I'm going to use this brush from my Sonia G Sky face set. And this is the brush I always use for creams. And this is the brush I've used for my Chanel bronzer as well. So let's go ahead. I'm super excited to use this. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to swirl it around in here. Yeah, this feels very balm-like, almost like it's something for your lips. Let's see how it looks on. Okay, SAIE. Lord. Don't let me get too excited right away. It's the first little swatch, and girl, all right. This is the first time I've purchased anything from them. A lot of their products I've seen has been like I think like just dew products and illuminating products, but all right, we all seeing this, right? Jesus Lord, and this is perfect. I did not need a darker shade. Oh Lord, this is a proper sun-kissed bronzer, girl. All right. And so easy to apply. Woo. Oh my God. I'm trying to control myself over here. This is beautiful. When I saw this shade in the pan, I was like, this looks like the color bronze is this shade. Like if you think of what, you think of, oh, the color bronze, this is what it looks like. And I'm like, But girl. Let's continue. Oh my God. And the formula of this, I really, you know what? This is why, it's always good to apply stuff. When you swatch this, if you don't own this, and I know a lot of you guys probably do already, right? When you swatch, if you don't, for the people that don't, when you swatch this initially with your fingers, it feels sort of sticky, like balmy, like it's going to be like more for the lips. But the way this is going on my face right now, oh, I'm in love with this already. Oh, what else I'm not going to be in love with? Like everything I've tried lately, well, almost everything I've tried lately, I've really liked. Okay, but then what's left on the brush? Just, girl, this is how I contour my nose. Don't come for me. Let me turn up my ring light a little bit for you guys to really see this. I was so worried about this color with this sort of orangish kind of copper undertone, but it's perfect. It is, look at that. Kissed all over by the sun. I don't think I'm gonna put powder bronzer over this. Lord have mercy over here. Girl, this is nice. What a gem. What a gem I discovered. What was the price again? It's 28 bucks. Not bad at all. All right, so I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face off camera. And I'm gonna come back with my comparisons to the Chanel. All right. Okay guys, I am back with the rest of my makeup done, and girl, if you haven't purchased this SAIE bronzer yet, you gotta purchase it. All right. So this is it compared to the Chanel, and surprisingly, this is an ounce, and this is an ounce. A lot smaller. Look at that. Like if you look at the two together, this one is, the package is smaller because I double checked. This says an ounce and this says an ounce. I'll double check it again for the description box just in case. All right. So let's look at the color. Whoa, we don't even have to look at the color, right? Because we know that the Chanel is a lot lighter. So these are the two shades. Huge difference, right? This is just like sort of in the middle. It's not too cool. It's like a neutral shade to me, maybe with like a warm neutral shade. This is, like I said, just like copper bronze. It's spectacular. I didn't put any powder bronzer on. I'm just wearing this. This is all I need. Perfect for the summer. And for some reason, I thought it would have been wetter and oilier and slippier. It is not, absolutely. But this is definitely more matte, the Chanel. And this has a very unique formula to it. Like when you press in it, it's matte and super creamy at the same time. I'm not doing this for the shade, just for the texture to show you guys in case you were curious. You're not going to see that much. It's not that pigmented. Shame on you, Chanel. Take some lessons from SAIE, right? This formula, when you swatch it, the SAIE, it just feels wetter and more balm-like because it's a balm. It's not as, I thought it was going to be oilier or dewier. To me, it's not. But you can definitely see like a little dew. But let me tell you, it blends out like a dream, just like this. Just like, because this blends amazingly. If they would only make this goddamn thing darker, right? I think they blend the same. They blend like dream. The shade of this one though, this is what really got me. This is a stunning shade for deeper skin tones, guys. I mean, this is a proper bronze shade. I mean, I've never owned a bronzer with this shade. Look at that. Girl, I'm feeling brand new. Brand new. I dyed my hair black. It's relevant here because I think the contrast with this really warm bronzer and the black hair, girl, I'm feeling brand new. I was not going to leave the house today. I feel like just going to stand outside. Like, look at me. Look at me in my bronzer. Okay. Back to being professional, right? It's so beautiful. The only difference I would say, because to me, it's not an exact dupe because of the texture. And this is a little drier, in my opinion. And it feels a little bit more like almost slightly sponge-like. This is just like a proper balm. Like you can like put this on your lips. This is how they feel. But as far as how they perform, the quality, it's exactly the same. I also brought out my Myricks Contour Balm because, I mean, I was saying this was like the best on the market. I think she got competition now with this SAIE, right? So this is hers. This is in Deep 1 or Deep 2, I think. I didn't check it, right? When I swatch this one, her balm feels like the SAIE. Like when I swatch the two, yeah. Like swatching these two, they feel the same because they're balms. So I think that the texture, I would say, is more similar to the Myricks to me than the Chanel. And I'm just talking about texture. The Myricks performs beautifully as well. So it's almost like a three-way tie. But why the SAIE would beat the two out, I don't remember how much, or maybe the SAIE and the Myricks could be the same price, right? So the SAIE is beating out the Chanel definitely because of the price and the color, of course, because this is as dark as you get from the Chanel, the new shade. So, because I think the Chanel was $58, this is $28. That's what, $30 more? Come on, you know. So that's why I would choose, if I had to choose, because I don't want to choose it. If I had to choose, for my recommendation to you guys, of course, the price, the way it performed, this amazing color, how it looks on the skin, but an exact dupe for Chanel. I think the formulas are a little different because this is definitely more balm-like. It's more comparable to me as far as texture and the way it feels on the skin. It's like the Myricks, but how it blends out and stuff, just like the Chanel. So you would definitely, of course, go with the SAIE. And girl, say no more. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I know we all have a lot of cream contour, but add this to your collection, especially for the summer. Standing outside, it's hot, it's the summer, and you do not need to, when you powder your face, because I have to powder. Like if you're the type of girl that don't have to powder and you just put this over your cream, you're gonna have a hot girl summer. Or maybe a hot girl fall, or maybe a hot girl winter. This is so good. And I don't even want to end this video. Look how beautiful, look at that. See that? And I'm not wearing any blush today. I put highlighter on. I didn't even need blush. The beautiful color. Look at my forehead. I'm sun-kissed and I'm ready for summer. All right, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. This is good. Good. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching.